Begin by removing the two screws from the upper front corners of the firebox. Install the two lower panel clips included with the Eternal Flame reflective ceramic glass panel kit. The lower panel clips are installed in holes located on the left and right side of the burner surround. Hold the rear panel in place as you insert the first side panel between the tabs on the lower clips and into the slot in the log rest in the back of the firebox. Install the upper panel retainer clip using a screw you removed earlier. Repeat this process for the opposite side. Insert the upper rear panel at an angle. Rotate the other end upward and slide the panel back into place.